Good morning, students. Myself, Charu Mahajan, your computer teacher. Welcome to the computer session. In this session, we are going to learn about some new features of MS Word and how to create tables. Let's start with a little revision. What is MS Word? This you already know as you have learned it in the previous class also. MS Word is a word processing software developed by the Microsoft. It allows us to create and manipulate the documents. Now we will learn about some main features, some new features which you have not learned in the previous class. Spelling in the grammar checker, you can use it to check your spellings in your document. There is a treasure, that means you can look for the synonyms of the words in your document. You can change your words with the synonyms. You can improve your vocabulary also. Next is the column feature. As you seen in the newspaper, the news is written in the columns. Below the heading there are two columns and the news is written in the column. Same way you can create columns in MS Word. Tables, arranging the data in rows and columns is known as the tables, which you can create in MS Word very easily. And the next is mail merge feature. This is used for creating personalized letters. You can create as many as copies of the letters as you have the addresses in your address book. Okay, मतलब जितने लोग आपकी एड्रेस बुक में हैं, for all those you can create a different letter. Macros are used for saving your time. It just record your some steps जिससे आप कोई हेडिंग बार बार लिखते हैं. As we are working for the LPS, और मैं वहां पर बार बार स्कूल का नाम हर उस पे लिखती हूँ, हर डॉक्यूमेंट पे, लवली पब्लिक सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल. I just make the it bold and center. Whatever I do, I just record those steps. And whenever I have to create a new document, I just run my macro and it already gives me the school name and all those settings which I have recorded. Autocorrect means some common errors. As after full stop, you have not done the first letter capital of the sentence, then it will capitalize it. By mistake you have written adn instead of and, so it will autocorrect it to the end. This is known as the autocorrect. You can add more words to this for your convenience also. Auto format का मतलब होता है when we are writing some common symbols or the fractions, it just automatically, so 1/2 लिखते ही it's just give me the 1/2 का symbol आ जाता है. When I write fourth, 4th automatically ऊपर हो जाता है. This is the auto format feature. Comments, when there are more users of a single document. Suppose I am working on some document and you also working on the same. How could you come to know what I have done? So we can use the comments to inform each and other what we have done. We can add comments to our document, which comments are actually hidden and they doesn't comes in printing. Okay, when you take the print out of your document, it doesn't show your comments. Okay, so uh, some main commands revise कर लेते हैं. You have learned in the previous class also, making bold, italic, underline. Control B, Control I, Control U, you can use to make your document bold, italic and underline. These features are used to put emphasize. That means whatever is important, you want to highlight that thing, you can make them bold or underline, whatever you want. Format painter is used to formatting of particular sentence to somewhere else. If you want which I have given the formatting in first heading, I want the same formatting in the second heading, you can copy the formatting through format painter. Next is line and paragraph spacing. As you know, to give our document the professional look, we just give the spacing according to the requirement. We can give it By default it's one line space, but we can increase it 1.5, 2 line space. That means ki we just leave one line between the two lines, that is 2 line space. Okay, normal से double space हो गया उसमें. Oh. Tab settings are used when you write your uh, text in the list form but doesn't make the table. As I have written here, the left tab, right tab, all the different types of tabs I have written using the tab. I have given the space before putting the bullets also, and after putting the bullet also. By default, when you press the tab key from the keyboard, it moves your cursor 0.5 inch ahead. Okay, that is the tab. By default, tab settings is there. You can change these tab settings also. Next is how to create the table in MS Word. Now this is very important topic. You just concentrated on this. There are three ways of creating a table in the Word. If you have create doesn't create any table till now, you have to create the new one. You can create the blank table and you can write type your text in that. Second way is if you have used the tab settings and make a list and now you want to convert it into the table, you can use the preset table option. Third is the customized table. That means you can draw it with the pencil according to your requirement. Whatever you want, you can choose the way. So let's start with the first, how to create the blank table. I just go to the MS Word. Here I have created already one table. I just remove it and I will just delete it again for you. Just delete table. Now we go to the insert for creating the table. Add table पे हम click करेंगे. It will show us the rows and the columns in the grids. As many as columns we want, we select it like this, and the rows downwards. Okay, we just insert it. I just now can write my data in it, serial number, name, total marks, then उसके बाद percentage, then grade. Okay, suppose I don't want this percent column, I can select it, right click on it, delete column. When I click on the delete column, it will delete my whole column. Okay, but after some time I realize no, I need it. I can again insert it column in it by right clicking on it and insert option. It will ask me insert कहाँ करना है. I just click on the left side पे. तो left side पे column आ. If I click on the right, it will comes on the right. I will show you. If I click on the insert column to the right, it will comes into the right. Okay, I can again give the heading percent here. Now we just fill the data. 1, 2, 3. We can use tab for moving in the cell. We can use the tab. Name, Ashu, Bhanu, and Keshu. I have feeded the data in it now. Now we just we want to add one more record. We just press tab key in the last cell. It will add one more row here. Okay, we can put one more record as many as record we can put as we needed it. Now we just format our table. We just select the table, go to the table tools, design tool. Here are some designs present here. I can select any one of these. Now look it looks superb. Yeah. And by dragging the cells, I can resize the cells also. Okay. And now we just align the data. सेंटर अलाइन कर देते हैं इन सबको, हेडिंग्स को भी सेंटर अलाइन कर देते हैं. सेलेक्ट करना पड़ फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट वट एवर यू वांट टू पुट ऑन योर डेटा. फॉर्मेटिंग सेटिंग्स वट एवर यू वांट, you have to select your data first. Okay, now how your table looks like. Okay, it's superb. Now you can also create the table like this at your home. Just practice at home. Okay, you can delete the rows, you can add the rows as per your requirement. Just right click and you get the options insert, delete, split cells. Split का मतलब होता है when we have to split one cell. Suppose ये cell है, मैंने इसे select कर लिया. I just right click on it and split cell. It will ask me how many columns, 2 columns, 3 columns, whatever I want, I can split it in that. It is slips. Now I just change the design so you can look it very clearly. Now look it, there are 3 columns in one column only. Okay, if we don't require it, we can just select all these threes, right click again, and we can merge cells. Okay, by merging we can again convert it. Merge means we are just merging 2 cells together. We can merge all these two also by right click, merge cell, it's merged now. Okay, so that's all for this session. Hope you understand the concept of tables. Now you will try the commands. If you have any query, you can just contact me. So see you in the next session. Till then, bye everyone. Enjoy. Have a nice day.